Alright, I'm here in Galveston with a call with the outside unit not coming on. I did not have any power present here with my multimeter. I went to go turn the unit on from the breaker down here, and it started smoking from up here, meaning something's probably wrong with the fan. I already tested the compressor to ground and with resistance with common start and run. It both tested good. I'm about to test the fan motor now with resistance. So I'm gonna have to remove the wires. Power is killed. That'd be these three wires right here in the back, right here, the black, orange, and purple. So I'm gonna come over here and remove the black, and I'm gonna remove the orange. And then when you remove the purple, you want to short out that capacitor just so that you do not get shocked. Power is off, so you can do it. And when you do it, do something that is insulated with rubber on the bottom so that you don't get shocked from a conductor. Alright, I got my 3 leads that I'm going to test with my multimeter. I'm going to go over here and set it to resistance. And after you do, you want to touch both prongs just to make sure you got continuity when they touch, just to know that they're working. If you don't hear that beeping, you don't have continuity and your leads are not working correctly, or your multimeter is not. So let's plug these in and check them out. Got my leads hooked up from orange to purple, and my multimeter is reading OL, meaning open line. So it is not working between those two terminals. So that tells us that we have a bad condenser fan motor. Thank you. Go ahead and test the other leads just to do it. I got orange and black hooked up. That's also reading open line as well. Got another one that's reading OL as well on the purple and orange. So we know this did not overheat and it is actually bad. I got the new fan motor in. Got it wired in. It's a universal one. Got it wired up. Put the black wire on common, the white wire on run, and then I got the 2 brown wires to a separate capacitor because it's universal. But if you don't have the single run capacitor, you can hook it to one of these. The only difference is you won't use the brown and white wire. You'll have to cap it off, or it can end up causing issues, so do not do it. And if you have this one, this is the one I would use. Let's turn the fan on and see if it works now. Alright, unit is running now with this universal fan. You want to make sure that the fan is blowing the correct way. Since it's universal, it will go both ways. You want the air to be pushing out this way, not sucking in that way. And the air is pushing out, so it is the correct way. But let's say it was the wrong way. All you have to do is kill power to the unit and switch these 2 wires, and it will go the other direction. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment if you have anything to say. Thank you.